Ella, can you say sock? Socks. Socks, good words. What do you want? You want a banana? Can you say banana, please? Banana, please, good words. What do you want? Do you want some pineapple? Apple? All right. Can you say boat? Where's the boat? Boat. Yeah, good working. Can you say car? Vroom, vroom. Where's the car? Say car.
Can you say monkey?
Car. Oh, we almost had it. Monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Say car. Monkey. Eat. More eat. What do you want to eat? What do you want? Do you hear a bird? Bird. Can you say chicken? Say chicken. Chicken. Good job. Ella, say cheese. Cheese. Cheese, please. Say please. Please. Yeah. Can you say car? Oh, good job.